And now it's time for Physics in Minutes. Today, pressure. So what do we mean when we say pressure? What is pressure? Recall that force is the energy of accelerated matter. When matter is accelerated, it stores the energy used to accelerate it, and we call that kinetic energy. When the accelerated matter strikes something, that stored up energy is released. How that energy is dispersed is called pressure. When a lot of kinetic energy is applied to a very small object or area, the energy reacts violently as it tries to transfer or dissipate all that energy to that small area.
Oh crap! This is gonna hurt!
Conversely, when a small amount of energy is applied to a large object or area, the energy does not react as violently because as the kinetic energy is transferred, it is spread out or diffused by the area it strikes. You're kidding, right? That tickled. It stands to reason then, if we take the same amount of energy and disperse it over a very small area, it will react differently than if it was applied over a very large area. Let's look at an equal force and disperse it differently. Imagine you're about to blow out the candles on your birthday cake. As you blow, a small amount of force is spread over a small area, resulting in enough air pressure to extinguish the flames. But what would happen if you tried to blow the candles out from across the room? Well, if you used the same amount of energy, it would be dispersed over a larger area, and the result is there isn't enough air pressure to extinguish the flames. So pressure is the dispersion or concentration of force over an area, and it's expressed mathematically as pressure equals force divided by the area. So how do we express the result? Well, to make life easy, you can call it by the force applied over the area, like pounds for every or per square inch, psi, or kilograms over cubic centimeters. In fact, the units we just used, they tell you the formula to calculate it. So we asked, what is pressure? Well, when a force is applied over an area, the result is pressure. It's as simple as that. This has been another Physics in Minutes. Next time, we're going to look at pressure again in part 2. You're stronger than you think.